Stark here. Glad you can make it to my Stark Expo this evening. We've got quite a show for you. We're just wrapping up a few finishing touches. Until then, why don't we get the mood going with a little AC/DC? Thank you, Friday, for those kind and completely unscripted words.
Spoken just as you wrote them, sir.
Guilty as charged. And hey, how about some love for our incredible dancers? And what a way to start us off with a bang, because tonight is going to change your lives. First, of course, there's me. Can't say I ever get tired of that. Next, we're going to be introducing some technology that is really going to blow your mind. And finally, I may have invited a few friends. Would you like to meet them? All right, let's do this. First up, one of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s most talented and intimidating agents. She has mad skills, she's dangerous, and I know from personal experience that you wouldn't want to be on her bad side. Please welcome Natasha Romanoff, the Black
Widow. Hello, Tony.
Next, we have a master archer who always hits his mark. Here he is, Hawkeye.
How's everyone doing? Glad to be here.
And finally, we have a true hero and our symbol of freedom, Sam Wilson, or as we all know him, Captain America.
Hey, how y'all doing? What's up, everyone?
Oh, come on, Cap. Don't you want to make a big, dramatic entrance for these folks?
Nah, that's okay. I'll leave the showboating to you, Tony.
Hey, it's all to show off the reason why we're all here. The unveiling of my latest invention, the hexacore. She is a thing of beauty. My friends, this technology will forever change the way we live. The hexacore uses kinetic force to deliver a clean, limitless supply of pure energy.
Translation, it's a beacon for bad guys.
That's what I heard, too.
Everyone up for diffusing another global incident?
Whoa, let's pump the brakes a bit, okay? When have my inventions ever caused an incident?
Global incident.
Do you really want us to start counting?
I don't think we have enough fingers.
Okay, that's it. You're off my Palo brunch invite.
Whoa, no need for that.
Okay, guys, take it down a notch.
Yeah, let's be reasonable. I love brunch.
Now, who's ready to see what this thing can do, huh? And the crowd has spoken. Cap, would you care to do the honors?
Why do I feel like I'm gonna regret this?
My philosophy is you can only regret the things you haven't done. All right, everyone. On 3. 1, 2, 3. See, absolutely nothing to worry about.
For the Asgardian demigod?
Look at this. Iron Man showing off his new toy, and I didn't seem to get an invitation. I'm hurt.
Wow, nice entrance, Maleficent. Hey, is this the part where you curse my child?
I don't know who Maleficent is, but he sounds like my kind of guy.
You're not getting that hexacore, Loki.
Captain America. Always straight to the point, but you're wrong. Power like that shouldn't be possessed by mere mortals. Now, which of you would like to stop me? I'll accept that challenge. Why must you always be in the way?
Thor, glad you could join us.
Oh, forgive my lateness. I was out up at the shawarma station.
Wait, they have shawarma?
I prefer mine with something called baba ganoush. Excuse me? Oh, yes. This ends here and now, Loki. Is that where we were?
Back off, Loki. There's no version of this that ends well for you.
And you're probably right. But I am one to learn from my mistakes. Which is why this time, I've enlisted a partner.
Greetings, Avengers.
Red Skull.
You must be the new Captain America I've been hearing so much about. I hope you're less troublesome than your predecessor.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to disappoint you.
This is the man you chose to partner with, brother. I mean, look at him. He's so bony.
Charming, but I'm afraid I am not here to exchange insults. I am here for and I intend to take it. Hydra, attack!
So is this the part where I say I told you so?
No, this is the part where you say, I have a plan.
Good. Because I have a plan.
Wakanda forever!
Thanks for coming, Your Highness.
Good to see you again, Sam. So were you just waiting up there the whole time?
Okoye, we waited in the shadows until our enemy revealed themselves.
Whoa, looks like your backup has backup, Cap.
Sam requested our presence in case things went bad.
This looks pretty bad.
As you can see, my age is holding us. Soon there will be no stopping us.
I'll head them off. I will join you.
And I will deal with Loki. This should be fun.
The rest of you, keep these people safe and protect the hexacore.
Aye, aye, Captain. Sorry, couldn't help myself.
This is Andy Anderson, reporting live to Disney Magic, where there is chaos and confusion. Loki and Ant-Man Scrolls boarded the ship and are attempting to steal the Hexacore. Here at the start, get off of me! Don't mess with me! I'm from Texas! Let's take you back to the action.
belong to you. Why don't you just give it back and we'll... Lights! Look out! Yeah! Can you do me a favor and surrender? I'm trying to impress the Avengers. How'd I do?
Thanks for the assist.
Don't mention it. You are a very worthy warrior.
We're all clear down here. Tony?
Hang on. And we're all clear up here.
Anybody have eyes on Loki or Thor?
I've lost Loki, but found some other foes. Let's see if they're worthy. They were not.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. That was easy.
You underestimate Hydra. For one day, two more shall take its place.
You had to say it.
My bad.
Here comes the second wave. Protect the hexacore.
Ready. I got booted.
Captain, behind you.
What is that?
Hang on, I'm counting. Is this 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast?
Radar shows we've got a bunch of targets heading your way. So get to work. Enough said.
And that is my cue to fly.
Stark, why are my scanners picking up several bogeys heading your direction?
Fury! Hey, isn't it past your
I
bedtime?
sleep with one eye open. You didn't answer my question.
Well, you know, just a bunch of Hydra drones heading our way. But hey, we've got it all under control.
Now, what have I told you about introducing tech in the middle of the ocean?
That you are 100% for it.
I said it was going to lead to some serious issues, but did you listen?
Sorry, Fury, I got some drones to take out.
These efforts are meaningless. No defeat shall be inevitable.
Hey, sorry. Did you spend too much time with the pool today? You're looking a little red.
It appears that Red Skull and Spider-Man are heading towards the top of the ship. Carl, can you get a shot of them?
I was expecting a more formidable foe. But the only thing big about you seems to be your mouth.
Nice. Hey, I was gonna hook you up with a spa for a facial. It's never gonna heal if you keep picking at it.
Playtime is over.
Maybe we can talk about that. Oops, sorry about that. That looks delicious, by the way.
Tony, how's it going with those drones?
Yeah, well, there's a lot of them, and I'm pretty sure they're not here to do a fancy light show in the sky. How are you?
Oh, you know, cruise of a lifetime.
Agreed. As Roger said, I could do this all day.
I'm back. Did I miss anything?
We've got Red Skull cornered.
Looks to me like you could use a hand.
Where'd Loki and Red Skull go?
Was that a good explosion or a bad one?
We just lost Loki and Red Skull.
I believe a bad one.
I'm on it. Guard the hexacore.
Greetings again. Did everyone miss me? Loki. Hello, brother. Ready to surrender?
Never. Spider-Man, you take the bony one.
Looks like it's just you and me, Skull Dome.
You again.
Yep. Are you blushing?
Enough of your quips.
No can do, no nose.
Wait! Allow me to explain.
No more words from your silver tongue.
Thank you, Red Skull.
Quite a weapon you have here.
It is. Now, if you wouldn't mind returning it.
I think not. You are no longer of use to me.
How dare you betray me? I am a god.
You were a god. Now I am the god.
Back off, Skull.
I am impressed with your determination, Captain. But determination will never triumph over power. With this power, I am invincible.
Are you sure about that?
Captain Marvel.
No, please join us, Miss Danvers. Your title is of no significance to me. You too shall be defeated.
Photon blast.
What?
That was a good time.
Fools! No one on Earth can stop me!
Doctor Strange is here too? Awesome.
Let's finish this, Captain. Hey, Thor. Batter up. Nice swing.
Where did you send that red demon?
To the dark dimension. He and Dormammu should get along nicely.
Great. Anything else I can help you with? Power level at 14%.
Oh, great. Tell me something I don't know.
You didn't know that.
All right, that's it. I'm taking out your sarcastic shit. Hey, everyone. How's that destroy the drones plan coming?
Mr. Stark, I have an idea, sir. We could send a power surge through those drones. Their systems couldn't handle it and they'd be destroyed.
That's actually not a bad idea, kid.
Thank you. I'm so glad I could help. It's an honor to work with you again.
Yeah, not the time for that, kid. Who has the hexacore?
Ah, yes. I possess Dad's latest instrument of destruction.
Maybe we can boost the power surge by utilizing the vibranium in my suit and Cap's shield.
Yes! And Thor, we're gonna need your hammer.
Mjolnir is always ready for battle.
Great! When Cap says go, hit his shield with Mjolnir.
It's pronounced Mjolnir.
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 Watch what I'm saying.
Perhaps this is not the right time for this.
Right. Magic hammer will cause the reaction we need.
I sure hope this works.
Chin up, Robin Hood. We got this.
The vibranium will not let us down.
All right, everyone. Let's do this.
It looks like the rest of Hydra is retreating.
Never doubted the plan for a minute.
Of course you didn't.
Great work, team.
Yes, it's always an honor to stand by all of you at battle.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Thor. I believe this belongs to you. And you, Loki, no doubt already hatching your revenge plan.
I think it's best that the god of mischief keeps you all guessing. Right, brother?
Oh, I count on it.
Please let them be friendly. Please let them be friendly. Please let them be friendly.
Look sharp, people.
Relax. I watched you guys struggle a bit there. I thought it might be a good idea to call in some backup of my own. Hello, Peter.
Come on, man. You know it's Star-Lord.
It's only Star-Lord when you show up on time.
Wait, didn't you leave before me? Quill had to stop for something called soft serve.
Look, I already told you, you can't get real ice cream in space. See? Even Groot agrees. It's delicious.
Since we were late, is there anything else we can do for you? Yes, actually. Would you mind disposing of this thing for us?
Wait, what?
I'm not quite sure our planet is ready for this kind of power.
Fine, do what you gotta do.
We will bring it to Nova Corps for safekeeping.
Yeah, okay, just a sec. We haven't even talked rates yet.
I am Groot.
Oh, of course, you're gonna take her side.
I'm Groot.
Don't embarrass me in front of Iron Man.
All right, now that we've gotten business taken care of, we still have a party to attend to, huh? You're welcome to stay.
Yeah, party! Like it's 1999. Now we're talking.
Excuse me, Andy Anderson here. Is it possible to get a photo for the Daily Bugle?
Absolutely. Hey, where's your photographer, Peter Parker?
I think I saw him bravely fighting off some Hydra agents earlier.
Really? Maybe he'd like to be an Avenger. Hey, Guardians, you up for a photo?
All right, let's do this. Heroes, unite.
I'm assuming you have everything under control now.
Of course. Like I said, we had absolutely nothing to worry about. Right, Cap?
No comment.
Stark, the next time I see you, we are going to have a serious conversation. Cheese. I don't say cheese.
Let's hear it for our hero!
Let's get this party started. Hey, Friday, needle drop.